Hockey the RST leathers I just got. 200 quid. Knee sliders removable. I'm on a road bike, I can't be after that gay shit. Now, the knee protectors are actually inside. On the older types and different types, you actually have a really nice Velcro pocket on the kneecap. I've actually got another set somewhere. I've actually cut them into pieces for scrap and make a really nice gay little bum bag. Ideal for puffs. Now, it only has one really small fucking pocket, which is pretty fucking lame, really. Yeah, that's a bad feature. It's kit made for car drivers who go out in nice weather. None of this shit's waterproof. These lovely vents, not waterproof. The jacket's the same. It's got lots of lovely air vents. It's not waterproof. So they should tell you when you're selling stuff to you. It's all summer kit. None of it is wet weather gear. There's no pockets whatsoever apart from one little fucking thing there. Just big enough for your bike key if you've got nice little feminine hands. I don't. However, they do actually fit me, and usual issue with bike gear on me, I've got biker's legs, which means my calf muscles are fucking massive. This is excruciatingly tight. What I'm going to have to do is cut up to here so I can actually do them up without cutting off circulation to my legs, because it's not just my calf muscles, it's actually the ankle as well, between the shank basically. So I'm going to have to redo the zip on that. I know it's 200 quid for a pair of leathers I'm going to have to cut up and actually get the fitting properly. But, you know, needs must when devil shits in your basket. Anyhow, the jacket. These things are short as fuck. I mean, seriously short. It's got a good zip in it, so you can zip it to your bottoms. But, unless you're an anorexic fucking short arse, you're going to get a wet belly in the rain. It has elbow protection. It's got really fucking village people looking shoulder pads. So it's got a bit of protection on there. So it's not too bad. But for 240, 230 quid, I think it's priced up 230. It's pretty fucking lame for 230 quid. It's a fashion statement. I got it because it's the only pair of leathers, jacket and jeans I can find that will actually fit me. Everything else is too small. They actually do fit. Okay, aside from the belly. Biggest problem against this jacket is not so much the size or the fact that it's not waterproof or even water resistant, is that there's no spine protection. No fucking spine protection whatsoever. There does appear to be a pocket in there, so I think you can probably get it as an optional extra, which I think is really, really taking the fucking piss that spine protection is an optional extra on bike gear. Also, let you know what sort of mentality of people ride bikes these days. She was so surprised I didn't want the coat hanger. For fuck's sake. So, spine protection is a big fucking negative to me. The fact there isn't any. It's not just because I've had a lot of experience with people smacking me with fucking baseball bats. It's the fact that it does actually help to have your spine protected. Now, the reflective strips on the back, which is what fucks me off when you get all these pricks that Geglo jackets. They wear those jackets thinking they're doing a good thing protecting themselves. You're fucking not. You're wearing a cheap piece of £1.50 plastic you got in a pound shop and covering up this £1 million developed reflective strips, which in some countries means you're actually riding illegally because you're covering up the CE rated reflective protective crap. Me, I'm either going to dose the entire jacket with a can of black spray or go nice and old fashioned and get some boot polish on it, because I don't need reflective strips on the back. I don't need to advertise their fucking products, and I sure as fuck am not auditioning for the village people. So I should be blacking up black the white. I mean, I was going to give the blue one, but that wouldn't have fitted me. So yeah, just normal boot polish. Gonna rub it into this just to tone down the fucking brightness. If some cunt can't see me on a big ass fucking bike, a little bit of white padding is not going to make any difference. They're either going to see you or they're not. a bit of white shit is not going to make any difference. So, the kit is okay for 420 quid or 430 quid, it would have been. But it's been designed by car drivers. Same with the helmet. Designed by car drivers, not by bikers.